Welcome back to It's a JAAAAG! Another episode. What we're going to look at today is wing mirrors. Now these are fucking absolute horrible. They shouldn't be like that. So I want to try and take these off. This is quite knackered anyway, and try and fix this if I can without replacing it. Don't know how they come off, but the obvious, you gotta get the door cord off first. Come on. Two screws under there. Come on, there you go. Sounds like I was training for his shit then. I'm not. Right. Oh God, come on. I feel very lazy today. I mean, this crappy June weather doesn't help, does it? June, it feels like it's October. What time is it now? It's about 7:30, and it feels like one of those October late evenings where it's like cold still. It's fucking pissing me off. But anyway, enough about the weather. Let's get this door cord off. It's always good to have spare clips because you might end up snapping a few. Ooh. On the hook. Where is it? Captain Hook. Yeah, do that. On the hook. The mechanism. I think we need to undo this. There you go. Now, I think, by the way, I've never done this. I think this pulls away. Right, there we go. I suppose you don't have to pull it all the way. I don't think it's held on just by that one nut, is it? Yeah, it looks like it. And that's going to be 13. Let's go and get a 13. Got a 13. I think it's a 13. It's got to be a 13. It looks like a 13. It's a 13. Oh, there we go. Wasn't even on tight. That's well, that's off. They should come away. There we go. There we go. One mirror is off. Hello. Right, let's have a look at this. I think I found the problem. Obviously you remove the glass. Now mine had some silicone on it because I think these clips snapped. So what we do now, remove this motor. I'll just show you what the problem is. See that there? Missing some screws. Either it's missing some screws or they've snapped off. Probably snapped off because it was bloody seized, wasn't it? So let's get these screws out. I know you hear the dog whining. It's because I've cooked him some chicken which is on that counter there, but he can't have it until it's cooled off. Well, it's going to burn your mouth. You got to wait. You don't have to wait. So if you do hear him whining, you know why. You got to wait till it's cooled off, pal. Anyway, let's alright, just relax. Right, well, this should motor should come away from this now. Right, we need two hands, so I'll put the phone down. They should pull out now. Now once you get that unscrewed, there is another plug underneath which you have to take off, and that's the mechanism out. As you can see, it's not holding onto anything. Sorry about him. Alright, just hang on. So we need to loosen this so it moves more freely. He's heated now, so it's quiet. So we need to get this casing off, and it looks like there's some tabs there. So we can unclip that and this casing should come away. So let's do that. Okay, I've got further now. To get this bit off, you've got to get these clamps and basically spring them off there with some pliers, and then pull this out here. Whatever it is. So I'm going to pull that out, and then I should get a better idea how this all works. And then you need to separate this thing to pull the wire through, and then we can see how this all works. I think it works on this light spring thing here. You see it? I bet that's all seized. Let's find out. So I think it works on this spring. And as you can see in there, look at the state of that. It's all, well, it's fact in it. So we're going to have to grind that down and put some real good grease in there. And hopefully we should have a free moving mirror. Let's go to that. Okay, I've grinded it all out. As you can see, it's no longer a dusty white colour. I've put some grease in there already, and I've let the spring sit in some oil. So I think what I'm going to do is let this sit in oil as well overnight. Just coat it in oil. There we go. Been messing with this all night on a Saturday night. It's time for a drink. Right. Let that sit in the oil. And then for the second part, I'll make this video into 2 parts then. So one part is taking it all apart, and then the second one we'll be putting it all back together, and hopefully we'll have a nice free mirror that we can fold.